Panic reports are spreading in Ukrainian social networks that during the May 13 detonation of an ammunition depot in Khmelnitsky, a large batch of British tank ammunition with depleted uranium recently brought to Ukraine along with Storm Shadow missiles, was also destroyed. The footage shows a tall column of flames and smoke rising in the form of a mushroom cloud over Kyiv plant. It is believed that the attack was carried out by a swarm of drones. According to the earthquake monitoring system of the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, at 04:52 Moscow time, 3.4 magnitude shocks were felt northwest of Khmelnitsky. Khmelnitsky, population 270,000, is located on the banks of the southern Bug River, about 380 kilometers west of Kyiv. Initial, unconfirmed, reports indicate that this location stored ammunition for Leopards, Martyrs satellite communications systems and a lot of high-tech equipment from Germany, the USA, Denmark, and Japan. The cost of this mushroom could be around $200 million. According to some reports, gamma radiation levels in Khmelnitsky have been rising. If true and given that depleted uranium emits a relatively small dose of gamma radiation, the increase would indicate the destruction of a very large ammunition stockpile, which sent uranium dust into the air. Dosimetry patrols are working in the city, conducting radiation background measurements in unusual locations. Previous measurements were concentrated around the Khmelnitsky nuclear power plant, but now they cover the western regions of the area and the city Ternopil. The main consequence may be the contamination of vast surrounding areas. The dust generated as a result of combustion very easily rises into the atmosphere, spreads, and settles. Problems for the population, as shown by data from Serbian sources, will begin in the future. Inhaling depleted uranium particles or ingesting them in food and water can lead to various adverse health effects. Increased risk of developing cancer, especially kidney cancer. This is due to the radioactive emission and toxicity of uranium. Damage to the immune system. Uranium can disrupt the functioning of lymphocytes and other components of the immune system. Development of chronic diseases such as kidney disease, cardiovascular disease. Uranium poisoning, especially dangerous for children. Uranium accumulates in the kidneys and can cause kidney failure. Appearance of developmental defects in children born after uranium contamination. Exposure to an elevated background of depleted uranium can lead to genetic mutations. Considering the consequences, we can only hope that these reports are not true and are the product of panicked minds of the people traumatized by the war.